Action.
All right. So I zeroed the scope on this rifle in France like 8 months ago, I think. And I'm really curious. We then pulled the scope off because it's quick detach and shipped it over here, and the rifle came separately. And I'm really curious if it actually retains zero transcontinentally. So let's find out. I got a target at 100 meters. Put a couple rounds in it. All right, let's go take a look. Ooh, that's actually remarkably close. All right, so I was aiming here. I am approximately 1.5 inches off to the left and 1.5 inches low. Go ahead and tape these up. Make a couple little adjustments on the scope. All right, let's try one more. All right, I have modified my sight settings by a couple clicks. Let's see if that makes a difference. One thing I will say is I'm not a big fan of the trigger in this rifle, actually. It's a single stage trigger, and I think it's not crisp enough on the release. And one more. All right, see if that fixed it.
Go.
Naturally, as soon as I start complaining about the trigger, I get a result like that, where all 3 bullet holes are touching. Now, obviously, I was trying to remember, I didn't think to bring the manual for the rifle out. Maybe I probably should have. I was trying to remember exactly what the click adjustments are, and I went exactly twice as far on both as I should have. So we're going to tape this. We're going to do one more modification to it, and then we should be dead on. That is freaking awesome. I am shocked. I did not think I shot it that nicely. But one thing about this gun, this rifle is capable of, I want to say capable of minute of angle or just below, which is an audacious claim, and it's also the sort of thing that everybody always says about every rifle ever, you know. Mosin Nagants, it's less than a minute of angle because it's bolt action. Well, I'm not, I shouldn't whack the mic, I am not, generally speaking, a sub-minute of angle shooter. So if I can manage to squeeze off a couple groups like that with the rifle, that's pretty cool. I need to get this in the hands of someone like Carl, who is a better shooter than I am, who can really wring all of its accuracy out of it. But enough talk. Let's fire one more group. All right. I should also mention here at some point, I am shooting stock, just generic PPU, full metal jacket, 139 grain. This isn't match grade ammo. I mean, there isn't really a lot of match grade 7.5 French available on the market in the US. So we'll use what we have until such time as I decide I need to start hand loading for it. So got 4 rounds left. We'll just empty the mag and put all 4 of them on that target. I clicked back exactly half the adjustments that I had previously made. So we'll see where that leaves us this time. Oh, good. Maybe a little to the right. Last round. All right. That's it. Let's see if I got it dialed in. All right, so I brought the target back. This group went completely all askew. That's a terrible group, but it is actually pretty much centered right on the middle. So I don't know if you saw it last time. My second 3-shot group was that. I went from that to that. So as I was saying, I am not a sub-minute of angle shooter. And I am excited to get this rifle into the hands of someone who is. Now, how much of this is the ammo versus me? I don't know. Never really done any, tried to shoot solid groups with, PPU, stock, FMJ 7.5. Maybe that's a little bit of it, but the rifle's at least zeroed. And so now we can go on to doing some more cool stuff with it. Thanks for watching.